In this video, I will show you step by step on how to place your order on 1688 without using agent. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to place your order on 1688 without using agent. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you search for the item. So you can use two options to search for an item. One of the options is click on here to type in whatever keyword you are looking for. Or the second option here is to make use of your image search, the camera icon as an image search right here. So after you have successful search for an item, next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. So after you successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. Then take you right here. So these are all the items I have already added to cart to save the time on this video. So for you to purchase all the items, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to select each of the items you want to purchase. So I'm going to click them one after the other and it's going to be selected. Just like what you see right here. So I'm going to purchase this one too. And I'm going to purchase this. And I'm going to purchase this. All right, so I'm paying the sum of 106 yuan to purchase all these items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then click on here to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password. So it's as simple as that. So you can see we're able to purchase from 4 different suppliers at a price of 106.32 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the item is going to be found right here. So you can see right here, these are the first one, second one, and the third item we just purchased on 1688 without using agent. So this is how to place your order on 1688 without using agent with your Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.